Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking tube. There's two different types of leaks. The first one is going to be right here between the shutoff valve and the tank. This is a lot easier to stop the flow of water. You just shut off these valves here to stop the flow of the water. And to fix this, you're just going to release the side that's leaking. And we're going to cut that side out. So we're going to take some scissors here and just cut that part off. And then go ahead and reattach the leaking side. Remember the washer first, and then once you do that, go ahead and turn your system back on and you're good to go. And there's one more type of leak. It's going to be between the main line and your first shutoff valve, so it's going to be a little bit harder to service, but still fairly simple. It looks like this. In order to stop the flow, you have to go to your backflow, turn off the water, and come back. I'll take this out of the valve box. You can see it better. I'm just going to service it. You need some pliers to remove the tubing clamp. Looks like that. And then we'll go ahead and cut the part that's leaking. Cut that out. And then use your pliers again to remove the excess tubing. Then put the new tubing back on it. Make sure you slide it all the way to the end and grab a tubing clamp and wrap it around there. Give it a few clicks and grab some pliers to give it a few extra clicks. You do this so it doesn't pop off at high pressure, and you're good to go. Just go ahead and turn your backflow back on slowly.